Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore default settings on your GameSir G8 Galileo. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the GameSir app. Now make sure that you click right here so you are in the settings of your GameSir G8. Now let's scroll down and go to Restore Defaults. Here you click Confirm and every setting should be resetted. As you guys can see, the reset has been successful, and that means we successfully resetted our GameSir to the default settings. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.